This is the Programmer Owl, and in this video I'm going to walk through an Edabit Python challenge called Find the Bug Returning the Container. And in this one they're dealing with a dictionary and some key value pairs, and we just want it to make logical sense, like bread goes in a bag, beer goes in a bottle, candy goes in plastic. So we need to look through the code and fix any things that don't quite make logical sense. So bread, that's obviously hard to get into a bottle. Let's put that into a bag instead. Milk goes in a bottle, beer goes in a bottle, eggs go in a carton, cereals go in a box. Let's fix cereals. I think it's an it's an E instead of an I. And then instead of candy being none, I think they said plastic. And if you wanted to double check, you can always do the test and see. So bread is bag, milk bottle, beer bottle, eggs carton, candy plastic, and cheese will be none. So that should be enough tweaking to get all the tests to pass. So let's see, did that happen? Yes. So that is how you fix the code in Find the Bug Returning the Container.